Good afternoon, Amington Heath, and I've got lots of certificates to share with you today. Some of our bubbles have been closed this week and have been at home, so I haven't got certificates for those children, but I do know that a lot of our reception children particularly have been doing lots of home learning, so well done to you. We're really looking forward to welcoming you back on Monday. We've got lots of exciting things on next week, so it'll be lovely to see you all. So I'm going to start with our certificates from Little Learners. I've got a certificate for David. David comes into Little Learners ready to learn. He's joining in at group time, singing and doing actions to songs, and is starting to initiate conversations with others. Well done, David. And Ronnie. Ronnie's been a determined alien. Joining in with other children at group time, she will copy the words from the new songs and sing them out loud. Well done, Ronnie. And in year 2-3, we've got Caitlin. Caitlin is Star of the Week because she has shown a determined, independent Amington alien during her assessments. She's been... Pause for the bell. She has been taking responsibility for her learning and making excellent choices. She's been self-motivated to have a go at every question, trying her very best. Well done, Caitlin. And Alfie. Alfie is Star of the Week because he arrives every morning a determined, curious Amington alien. Alfie is always asking questions and making links in his learning, and he always tries his hardest in all lessons. He perseveres in everything. Well done, Alfie. And in year 3-4, we have got a certificate for Dexter. Dexter has been a really aspirational alien this week. He has been motivated and resilient while completing his assessments and has a really good go with all of his learning. Well done, Dexter. And Layla. Layla is a great model for the other children in our class. She's consistently tries hard and is determined with all of her learning. She is always mindful about the presentation in her books, and this week she's achieved her pen licence. And I saw your handwriting, Layla. Absolutely beautiful. Keep it up when you've got that pen in your hand. And in year 5, we've got a certificate for Madison. Madison has had a great week. She's shown true resilience in her assessments and is working hard in all her lessons to achieve the best that she can. She's making super progress with her handwriting and has shown awesome hockey skills too. Well done, Madison. And Olivia. Olivia has been a wonderfully independent and determined alien this week. She's worked consistently well in all her lessons, showing she can apply her skills independently in her reading and mini adventure lessons. And she's tried really hard to achieve well in her assessments. Well done, Olivia. And then moving to year 6, I've got a certificate for Lexi. Lexi has been a determined alien this week. She has displayed an amazing attitude to work and has challenged herself in all areas of learning. All week, Lexi has come into school with an excellent mindset, and I've been extremely impressed with how hard she tries. Well done, Lexi. Miss White is very proud of you. And Harvey. Harvey's been a determined alien this week. He has tried hard in all week to display the correct behaviour and attitudes to learning. Been extremely impressed with how caring and helpful he has been, and has brought a smile to my face throughout the day. Thank you, Harvey, for your positive attitude this week. Well done. And we haven't got a huge amount of planet points this week, but I can tell you that blue team have 72 points, green team have 97 points, and it's very close between red and yellow, but red have 124, but yellow are in the lead this week with 126 planet points. Fantastic. Well done, yellow team. So have a lovely weekend. We'll see you all on Monday. And we've got a lovely week planned. As I said, lots of exciting Christmassy things to finish the term with. And just a reminder to you and your parents that we break up on Thursday, not Friday. You're not in school on Friday. So have a lovely weekend and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye.